Hey guys, Erica with the K here. Today's video is going to be on this vintagey glam kind of hairstyle that I have going on today. I wanted to make it a very DIY video, so if you guys want to see a more in-depth tutorial on this, please let me know. But for this video, it's going to be super simple, super easy, and just using products that you probably already have at home. I want this to be the DIY version of it and not the super fancy salon version of it. But if that's something that you guys want to see, let me know and I'll definitely post a video like that. So what you're going to need is a curling iron or a wand. Curling iron works just as good if you don't have a wand or if you don't know how to use one. And what you're going to do is curl each piece of hair forward towards your face. That is pretty much the most important thing when it comes to this video. The other thing is I did this on 4th day hair, so what I would recommend is a really good dry shampoo. I did use a professional dry shampoo, which is R&Co. It's my favorite. I sell them in the salon. You guys can get them on Amazon Prime, but it's no less money than just going to the website and getting it there. It's about $32 for the bottle, but I'm telling you, it is so worth it if you struggle to find a good dry shampoo. As for hairspray, I used whatever I had at home. I don't have my professional R&Co one at home today, so I did just have to use a kind of crappy hairspray, but you know what? It's a DIY video and we're working at home, we're doing it at home, and I also used a brush that I use to brush my hair every day. It is not a comb, it is not a teasing thing, but I did use it because I want to show you guys that you guys can use these products that you just have at home. You don't have to go out and get exclusive products if you're just doing a simple DIY hairstyle at home. So it would be awesome to wear a hairstyle like this if you guys were going out to dinner or if you guys just wanted to like get dressed up and be glam, anything like that. I just think it's a really cool, fun hairstyle, and it's so easy once you get the idea of how to do it. So thank you guys so much for your love and support. I hope you guys like this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more like it. Thank you guys again. I love you so much. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye guys.